Hi traders, I'm Kagiso Mahuma, and today I'm going to be showing you how to place an order on your MT4 platform. So now this is going to be a real quick easy video on how to place an order when you're not at your screen. So should you want to make your analysis, should you already know where you're expecting price to rise or go down, and you just want to enter the trading level and you're not there, this will be a real quick easy technique for you to learn on how to execute a trade even though you're not in front of your MT4 platform. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on new order, and there you'll obviously see your specs before placing a trade, and you'll change your market execution to a pending order. All right, once you're here, you do have an option to change your buy stop to a sell stop. And basically what you're doing is that you're saying that when price reaches a certain level, it's either going to continue going up or it's going to continue going down. So I'm going to start with a buy stop to show you how that works. So as you can see, I'm looking at the USD CAD, and price is currently at 1.22792, and I'm expecting price to rise all the way to 1.23. All right, once price reaches this level, it will continue in a buying trend. So this is what I expect, and this is how I place my order. I obviously have my volume or lot size entered in, and now I can place my trade. Okay, so now I can automatically check that on my terminal, and I can see my buy stop has been in place, and should price reach that level, I will be automatically executed into the trade. So now you can do the same thing when you are applying a sell stop. So you click on new order again, you change your market execution to a pending order, and then you can change that to a sell stop. And now I can see my specifics. So price is currently at 1.22786. I'm saying that if price drops to 1221, it will continue in a downward trend. And then I obviously have my volume or lot size in place, and now I can click on place order. All right, and that's basically the simple steps on how to place a buy or a sell stop. For more information, do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.